Brothers Elektronik Direct Drive Zigzag Lock Stitchers are a semi-dry type utilizing dry head technology. The machines, having no oil around the needle bar or thread take-up mechanism, can be operated without concern for oil staining. The direct drive motor for these models is the same type as that of our proven S7200A. Electrical power consumption has been lowered to approximately 50% of that of the previous models. The machines are the most energy-saving models in the industry. The direct drive also enables quicker response at the start and stop of sewing and provides comfortable sewing fit to an operator's control. The noise and vibration have been reduced to a minimum with the adoption of a highly rigid frame. This eliminates operator fatigue and stress. The Elektronik Zİgzag Stitchers have no needle deflection, even at high-speed sewing, preventing crosswise puckering and allowing for the best quality sewing. The pulse motor with servo control, utilized with the needle bar mechanism, prevents position slippage and performs stable zigzag stitching. Feed amount can be set up to 5 mm with gauge parts replacement and simple adjustment. One single machine can deal with a wide range of applications, from foundation garments to general materials. There are 14 built-in sewing patterns of 8 basic types of stitch. Users do not need to have multiple cams for each sewing pattern, enabling excellent cost performance. T-stitch sewing is also available by making a simple adjustment. Users can store their original sewing patterns created with the sewing data programming software PS300B, meeting a wide variety of applications and various decorative stitches. Sewing patterns can be added to the machines with a CF card. The Z8550A and Z8560A with the energy-saving direct drive motor and clean dry head technology. Brothers Elektronik Direct Drive Zigzag Lock Stitchers provide great capability for various pattern sewing, expanding sewing possibilities.